Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So here is your Walgreens preview for the best curbside deals right up until January the 20th. We have a little bit of everything in this video. And basically, what is a curbside deal? You are ordering this stuff through the comforts of your home on a desktop computer, tablet, or cell phone, hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check and opting to pick it up at store. And whenever your order is ready, you just go to the photo counter and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith." And they'll be like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, let me get your order." It's that easy. And yeah, a lot of people opt for curbside pickup because the items are a little bit cheaper. Now, there's some crazy weather going on right now. A lot of rain, snow, sleet, bad weather, especially for a lot of shoppers out in Iowa. If you do put out one of these orders, you have up to 3 days to pick it up. And sometimes there will be a message on the app saying, because of the weather, expect delays. Now, if your order gets fulfilled, but you still cannot get out to the store, you can always call the store and ask for an extension. Some managers will allow it, some will not. But there is no harm in asking, especially if the weather is just absolutely dangerous. Do not be out driving in this because it just takes a second to get into an accident. So be safe out there. If you're the kind of shopper that does not like this digital curbside pickups, you like to go in store, you like the register rewards and those sort of deals, please check out the video that I did in store yesterday. Register rewards are also in store only. Some stores, they have been printing the last month or so, but when they're going to turn that off, it's going to end pretty quickly. So I would not bank on that. But for the most part, in store, check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. First deal that we're going to look at isn't really a deal, but if you're looking for some clearance candy, type in clearance candy into the search bar of the Walgreens app, and you might be shocked what you find. $1.99 fudge brownie M&Ms, the share a size bag, and it's on a BOGO 50% off. This is larger markets only though. And then we also have the Kit Kat minis. So just type in clearance candy if you're trying to fill up those Valentine's Day, if you're doing some nice gift or something like that and you need a bunch of candy, or if you love candy, definitely stock up. Type in clearance candy. You might be shocked what you find. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to need this booster. This was active in the last 2 weeks, so if you used it last week, it is of a one-time use. For the balance, I'm going to suggest that you pay with your debit card, credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash because they would love to say, "You used Walgreens cash, we're not giving it to you." Now, these products, which are a Vaseline like oil and then a hand butter, they are part of beauty and they're on a BOGO 50% off. So we're going to get an oil and then a hand cream, and then we're going to load the following digitals that include a $4 off for that oil. I really want to try that, so I'm definitely going to do this deal. And then this one for the Radiant hand butter. That sounds absolutely glorious this time of the year. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these travel size Kleenex to go. If you could only find one, grab one and maybe put in some clearance candy. And then we're going to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off that Kleenex to go pack. When they're going to pull this, I don't know, but it'll probably be sooner than later. The overall basket is $19.73. I used a code FRIENDS20. I'll show you that in a quick second. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax, and $7 in digitals melting off. Use your debit card to pay down the balance and see that $5.19. You're going to be getting that back as you bought 2 beauty products. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, guys. The Fetch Rewards app is giving 2,000 points back for each Vaseline, so you're going to get an extra 4,000 points courtesy of Fetch, making these Vaseline Radiants like 99 cents a pop, which is a really great price point. I know there's also IBOTTA rebates, but mine exclude the use of digital coupons. I don't want any trouble with IBOTTA, so I'm going to take a hard pass and just stay with the Fetch app for this rebate. Deal number 3. This one is for anyone with kids that like the Kids Listerine. It is on a buy one, get one 25% off. And the weird thing about this is that when you buy 2, you're supposed to get $2 back in Walgreens cash. I actually got 4. I don't know if it's just this one, what the deal is. I did this on Sunday evening and it was producing $4 back. So I'll take it, but I don't understand it completely. Load this digital coupon, which is $1 off, and yes, it is in fact attaching. Now, also on ShopMeum, there's a very similar rebate. As you're only using one digital coupon, you can apply for the second one with the ShopMeum app. So, I mean, that's not too bad, is it? Now, we're also going to be grabbing one of these Snuggle dryer sheets for $3.99. The original price is $6.49, so that's almost 50% off. My goodness gracious, expensive. Load this digital coupon. I always like to stock up on dryer sheets because it takes so little room. Now, at checkout, see where you have the applied offers. At the very top, it says that you could type in a code, and that's where you'll type in FRIEND20. It's taking off 60 cents. The overall basket is $13.25, 60 cents off from FRIEND20, free curbside pickup, $2 in digitals melting off. So $11.41. Because the Listerine is on a buy scenario, you can use Walgreens cash if you wish. Throw in 10, pay $1.41, and get back 4. Not a bad little deal. Deal number 4. Okay, so we are going to be grabbing 2 of the hydrolonic plumping fancy L'Oreal ELVIVE shampoo for $9, and then just 2 plain ones. Load this IVC, which is a 3 off of 2. This is a Walgreens brand coupon, or Walgreens coupon IVC. This is for that special clarifying hydrolala shampoo. Sorry guys. And that's a manufacturer, along with the 3 off 2 for the plain. So you need 2 fancy and then 2 plains, or only one of the digital coupons will apply. And then we're also going to grab 4 boxes of the CHEEZ crackers for $6.67. Looking at the overall basket using the code FRIEND20 again, $2.52 melting off, $6 off for the L'Oreal ELVIVE, and then $6 in digitals for the 2 types of L'Oreal ELVIVE shampoo. The overall basket is $24.67, $8.52 in promotion, IVCs and such coming off. Your curbside pickup is free, 65 cents in tax, and our 2 $3 coupons melting off for a total of $10.80. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay the 80 cents. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash for this one if you're doing this with no booster, but what a deal. The final deal that we have is deal number 5, and it's just a mix mash of things. We have the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, always a good item to have in your stockpile for $3.29. We have this $2 coupon. Definitely load it and use it if you didn't use it last week. And we also have this 6-pack of the Cottonelle for $7.99. It's 24 rolls. Figure out that toilet paper math. And we have this $2 digital that is attaching to said product. Now we're also going to be throwing into the mix 2 of these fancier L'Oreal ELVIVE shampoos. And we have this digital coupon, which is an IVC. See how it says with my Walgreens, it's the Walgreens IVC coupon. It's going to melt off the savings. And we also have this guy, which is the 2 just regular ELVIVE shampoos for also $9. This is for the fancier one, the 3 off 2. So make sure you have that one loaded. And then for our good old plain ones, we have this one loaded. For whatever reason, I had these 2 on both of my store cards. So my lucky day, I guess. And Friends20, we use that code again to have another $2.66 off. And then all of the digital coupons and IVC melting off right there. The overall basket is $29.28. IVC and promotional savings for $8.66. Free curbside pickup, tax, $10 in digitals coming off. So it's $11.86. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it, if you're doing no booster with this deal, and pay $1.86 for this basket of magic. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.